Okay, so I'm going to make you guys a smoothie today. And this time, of course, I don't like mine with ice. You can always add ice. But what I want to do is, I got 6 strawberries here. This is fruits and vegetables in this one. The last time I did one, it was just all fruits. So today we're going to have 6 strawberries, 1 banana, 1 carrot, a half of an apple, some pears, and spinach. So I might have to blend this in 2 little sessions and then mix it, but that's where we're going to be at. So I've already washed my fruits and vegetables. Oh, lost that one. Alright. You can always chop this stuff up on a cutting board first, but for this small amount, I don't see a need for me to have to do that. Let me throw this away. Alright. I already started opening up my banana. Put this banana in there. Ooh, it's got a little bad part, so I'm going to just pull that part off. Some people feel differently. Some people eat those parts. I don't. I know sometimes the bananas get bruised, but it could be something else, and I don't want to be involved, I guess. So I'm going to blend this portion up real quick first. And then right after I blend that up, let's mix that up a little bit. Alright, I think it's going to need a little liquid in there. So I have some canned pears.
Pears, my favorite.
Yes, your favorite? Okay. I'm going to put about a half a can in there.
Please,
a little bit of the juice.
Bye.
That'll help it get moving in there. There it goes. Alright. I don't want it to get too blended up yet because I want to add the other things in there too.
Mommy, yummy.
Yummy? Now I've already rinsed the spinach off in the bag. I pour water in the bag and rinse it off in there. So I'm going to press the spinach down in here. I'm going to do about 2 good. Ew. No, ew. It's going to be good.
Good?
Good.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. So,
Hi, Mommy.
hi. I'm making a video, baby. Don't do that. You're going to mess up my video.
Oh, mess up here.
Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Alright, we're going to start mixing through. Now I want to blend this a little longer so I won't have little pieces of leaves in there.
Yeah.
Then while that's doing that, I'll cut up a little bit of apple. Cut it into a few pieces. Okay. Then I'm going to add my apple in there. And that'll be my grand finale. Alright, so I got a half an apple, a half a can of pears. I have spinach, 2 handfuls of spinach, 1 carrot, and 6 strawberries and a banana. Just so you guys can see my face. Hey. perfect. All right, there's my green smoothie. That is good. Now, I really like this. If you want this sweeter, do a little bit more apple and a little less banana. It'll just give it a little more sweetness in what it is. Like the banana makes it more banana-ish, but not necessarily sweeter, unless you have one of those really ripe, really brown bananas. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. That was my smoothie for today. Peace.